Let's dig into it. Talking all about the new UI today, and I thought I'd start by just talking about some of the goals of the new UI, and just in general about how Agility Hub, when we talk about interface and product development. So we want to be customer driven. So all of our, we do lots of UX testing, and we do something called the feedback loop, where you give us, feedback about maybe it's a bug, maybe new feature request, things that you'd like to operate differently. We put that in the feedback loop, and we give you feedback when we've done something, and go back and forth on a lot of those kind of things. So that's how we sort of make sure that we're on the right track, is by listening to you folks. So this is one of the chances to do that. So in the comments, shoot me comments, ask questions as we go, but also reach out over. We've got lots of ways to connect over Slack, over email. It could be through Teams, whatever. We're always listening. We want our UI to be intuitive. And specifically with the new UI, we want it to be essentially the same, but better, so that you will recognize what you're seeing, but understand where we've made improvements, and hopefully we can continue to evolve to make things faster and sort of easier to work with. We're continuing to work on being better, a better composable sort of partner with other vendors. So we have our app marketplace, which has currently 10 apps in there. That's in conjunction with the ability to do private apps, which everyone can do. We're making more improvements to preview mode, which I'll talk about later. We're part of the Mock Alliance, which is sort of like an alliance of composable type folks. So lots of stuff that we're doing there. So this UI, one of the goals of that was to make the system more composable. And obviously we want to look more modern. Okay, so we want to build on top of this version of the UI for years to come. So we want that to be a modern platform, and I think that's one of the things we've achieved with that.